Stop scrolling. Imagine if the people who build machines to move mountains decided to build a street-legal pickup just for you. That's exactly what this is. The Caterpillar Pickup Truck 2026 doesn't care about chrome, cup holders, or cute trim names. It cares about surviving the kind of punishment that makes normal trucks beg for mercy. Welcome back to New Car Insider. I'm your host, and today we're finding out what happens when CAT takes everything it knows from the job site and crams it into a daily drivable beast. Is this the ultimate work truck or total overkill? Let's dig in. First impressions? It looks like a rally raid truck, and a bulldozer had a very angry baby. The front end is a vertical wall of grille and steel, with bold C-shaped LED headlights framing a massive CAT badge. The bumper isn't decorative plastic. It's a winch-ready, recovery hook-equipped battering ram that's ready for rocks, trees, or that one concrete post everyone forgets in the parking lot. The hood sits high and flat, with functional vents to keep the big engine underneath from cooking itself when you're crawling through deep mud with a full load. Walk around the side and you realize how serious this thing is. The stance is wide, really wide, with huge all-terrain tires wrapped around beadlock-style wheels. The wheel arches are squared off and armored, so a misplaced rock or bit of rebar doesn't leave a scar. The rock sliders are genuine steel, tied into the frame, meant to carry the truck's entire weight if you drop it onto a ledge. This is the kind of hardware you normally only see on custom expedition rigs and mining vehicles, not a showroom pickup. Underneath all that aggression is pure Caterpillar attitude. Power comes from a CAT-branded turbo diesel designed first and foremost for torque and longevity. We're talking stump-pulling grunt available just off idle, the kind of shove that will yank a loaded equipment trailer up a steep grade without breaking a sweat. It's paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission derived from commercial applications, tuned to deliver smooth, authoritative shifts rather than snap your neck for fun. This is an engine and gearbox combo built to run hard day after day, year after year. The chassis is where Caterpillar flexes the most. Instead of trying to adapt a light-duty frame, they've essentially miniaturized the thinking from their construction trucks. Fully boxed, over-engineered rails, reinforced cross members, and massive mounting points for the suspension and tow hardware. The front uses a rugged independent setup tuned for control over rough ground, while the rear can be spec'd with leafs or air suspension, depending on whether you prioritize payload or comfort. Add in locking differentials, low-range gearing, and multi-mode traction control, and the CAT pickup feels more like an off-road tool than a lifestyle toy. Inside, though, Caterpillar knows you have to live with this thing all day. The cabin feels like a cross between a modern work truck and a heavy equipment cab. The seats are thickly padded and heavily bolstered, with durable, easy-clean materials that can handle muddy clothes and steel-toe boots. The dash layout is all about big, glove-friendly controls, chunky toggle switches, knurled knobs, and physical buttons for every critical function. The main screen is tough and bright, with software focused on what matters: off-road camera views, load and pitch angles, trailer status, and vehicle health readouts. Tech isn't an afterthought, it's just built around work, not games. You get full smartphone integration, navigation that factors in trailer size and weight, and telematics that can share location and diagnostic data with a fleet manager or your phone. Multiple camera angles help you place the truck on a narrow trail, line up with a gooseneck, or avoid crunching that expensive toolbox behind the cab. There's even an optional 360-degree work light package controlled from the cabin or an exterior panel, turning night into day on remote job sites. Speaking of job sites, the bed is pure genius. The floor is coated in heavy-duty, non-slip material, with recessed tie-downs rated for serious weight at all four corners and along the sides. Lockable side compartments, think ram box but industrial, can hold tools, straps, fluids, or recovery gear. Power outlets in the bed can run welders, compressors, or saws straight off the truck's electrical system. The tailgate is overbuilt and multifunctional. Drop down, split, or fold out into a workbench, complete with molded measurements and clamp points so you can cut lumber or metal right on the job. Out on the road, the Caterpillar Pickup Truck 2026 feels every bit as substantial as it looks, but not in a punishing way. Steering is weighty yet precise, so you're always aware of what the front tires are doing. The suspension, especially with an air setup, does a surprisingly good job ironing out broken pavement and washboard dirt without feeling floaty. With a heavy trailer behind it, the truck actually settles in and feels even more composed, like it's finally in its element. Engine braking and strong, fade-resistant discs give you serious confidence on long downhill grades. Is it overkill for a casual, suburban commute? Absolutely. But that's not who this truck is built for. It's for the contractor who lives on the road and needs equipment that won't quit. It's for the rancher whose driveway might as well be a rock-crawling trail. It's for the off-road addict who wants a rig that can survive bad decisions and worse terrain. And yes, it's for the enthusiast who just loves the idea of driving something designed by the same people who build your favorite monster yellow machines. From a value and image perspective, the Caterpillar Pickup Truck 2026 is almost more of a statement than a simple purchase. You're not just buying a truck, you're buying into CAT's reputation for durability, parts support, and industrial-grade engineering. It won't be the cheapest option on the lot, but if you're the kind of person who measures cost in years of hard use instead of monthly payments, that premium starts to make a lot of sense. So, is the Caterpillar Pickup 2026 the ultimate work-and-play machine? Or is it simply too much truck for most people? That's where you come in. Would you daily drive a CAT pickup, or would you keep it as a dedicated job site weapon and weekend adventure rig? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the toughest pickups ever imagined, hit that like button, subscribe to New Car Insider, and ring the bell so you don't miss our upcoming torture test, where we see just how far this beast can be pushed before it finally taps out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next job site.